Hey guys, Joshua Peterson, Peterson Electric here. I haven't done a spa video in a while. A couple quick questions people have is how far does the disconnect have to be from the tub? This is the old tub. That's where the new tub's gonna go. Right in here. Not closer than 5 foot, not further than 50 is the requirement to the inside edge. This is what we bent for him because there is a walkway that he wanted to avoid. So we bent the new one up, over, kicked it down to there. So whether we're doing E-Volt car or a hot tub, that's basically how you would typically try to pipe that. Some people flex it, but it's nice to do a hard piece of conduit.